It's Sunday today. Training pala si ate ng volleyball.
Sa Super Volley Athletics. Dito nga pala yan sa Nyugan, Malabon. With Coach Mia and Coach Michael. Thank you po sa pagtuturo.
While we're waiting for ate, we will eat here at Steakside. With mommy, daddy, and daddy. I love daddy, so subog ko siya. The food here tastes good. I ate my favorite pancit and ice cream.
Mommy and Daddy eat sizzling and chichabu. Going back to the training, ako naman gutom na dahil di pa ako makain bago mag-training. Kasi feeling ko masusuko ako. Tas ayan, si Vlad umiikot-ikot. Ang kulit, no? Tas si Hailey naman, puro cellphone. Ayan si Mommy at Daddy, very supportive sa training.
Oh no, 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 no. I love.
Testing my service. No comment na lang.
There's no safety louder. You still sure? Yeah, so just walk up a little bit.
Yan, antok mo si Vlad. Cooling down until our next vlog. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! See you in my next vlog. Bye.
How's your training? How's Ate's training, Hailey?